Vai, fala.
Hello, this is cornstarch, and it's not flammable. Oh, let me put it on again. Whoopee! And it's not flammable, so the cornstarch. So if I put it here,
Watch your finger.
See?
not flammable.
No, not
But it gets
flammable.
hot
Okay, but now we're gonna show them.
if I throw.
Okay, up.
Oh,
You have to do up. See, it didn't work. The paper?
You want the mouth? There we go. You do the mouth. Yeah, this is okay. It should work. Okay, do it. See, I told you. It doesn't. Now you know your experiment. There you go. You want it? I told you. Experiment works? Your way? Good. There you go. That's it. Corn flour. You got corn flour
You
experiment.
wanna try again?
You want to try again?
can you try?
No, we're fine. You wanted to do it?
Try again?
Yeah, let's try it again. Okay.
It didn't work.